Hey guys, so today is a video that, okay, so stop being cringy. So, what am I going to do today? So, how many views do I have? I wonder how many views I have, but yeah. So, I'm going to do Gario. No, I'm not. Do you know what? I'm gonna play Gario. I'm sorry, I'm just playing one music. I'm a 3-time world champion. I'm joking. That's weird. Okay, is it still recording? Yes. Why can't we play? Let's not play that game. How about let's just react to my channel. Okay, so there's. Oh, should we play Akinator? Let's play Akinator. Akinator. Ooh. Akinator.
Something in this environment triggered the transformation. If I can figure out
That's the whole thing.
figure out how to get it done,
Solved it. Okay. Akinator.
and then start asking why.
No. Agree. This is how. Oh, I forgot that they had to stay up. Okay, how do we play? Look how you play this game. How do you play this game?
You! That's a joke. I'm the one with you. Finish that.
I hope this is how you play. How do you play? Child mode.
I think she went out. She's never here anymore. I'm sure she'll have time for you if you want to play with her. Play with her. No way.
What? Oh, play! I didn't see that. Okay, so let's go with Derek Jannard. So, yes, he is a baby. Yes, he is a YouTuber. No. Does your character have a brother who is on YouTube? Nope, he has a sister. Is your character in a relationship? Nope. Is your character older than 18? Correct. Does your character live in Los Angeles? No, he lives in Canada. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna do no. Is your character alright? No, I don't want to be racist. Is your character black? No. Does your character live in America? Does Canada live? Can that count? Well, probably. Is your character Asian? I don't know, but let's go for it. No? Is your character real? Yes. No, I haven't seen him do a diss track or something. Animator, no. He is not an animator. I don't know if he's wearing a t-shirt, white t-shirt. It's a lot. No. Character makes it cool. I don't really know. I think he's half Indian, Arabic, or good. No. Character live in nope. Does your character have black hair? Yes, finally. He done the 3 AM challenge. Yes, he has. Oh, does your character have a squid hat? I don't know. like playing Roblox, so no.
Always wanted to teach me how to sew. Well, now would be a really good time. Like, not right now.
Wrong. 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 You are wrong, so. Yes. Okay. Does your brother live with their brother? So does your character live with their brothers? No. Is your character married? No. Is your character a beatboxer? No. Has your character ever met someone of your family? No. He's famous. Yes, he actually does.
What did you do with your
I don't know what that is, but let's say no. No, he does not have a gaming channel. Does your character have a brother or sister who is a YouTuber? Yeah. No. Does your character still go to school? No. I don't know. Yes, Peggy Sue. No. What's that? A machine gun. No. Michigan. Oh. Chicago. No. Does your character drive an exotic or sports car? Don't know. I don't know what kind of car he drives. Yes, he is Canadian. I don't really know. Does your character live with a horror generator? No. Does your character have the letter S on their uniform? No, I'm not Superman. Does your character swear a lot? Like he bleeps it, but let's say no. Like bread. Yes, he loves bread. Joyful. Yes, he's very joyful. Popular musically. No, I don't think he has musically. No, he hasn't career. He got him. He got him. So far, this is one of my favorite YouTubers, my second favorite. So now let's do. How does he know? It's not fair. Now how do I play again? Okay, let's do guava juice now. Wait, he's got 10 million. Let's do someone that's not that famous. Yeah, let's do guava juice. Yes, he is a female. Is your character a famous YouTuber? Yes, he has 10 million. Does your character have a gaming channel? Yes, he actually does. Guava Games. Character in Minecraft? No. Does your character kill a member of their family? No. Did your character die? No, he didn't. Twitch. I don't know. I don't know if he does Twitch. I don't know why he left, so let's just say yes. Is your character black? No. No, he's a family friendly. Yes, he does like playing Roblox. Obsessed with pigs. I don't really know. I don't know. Is your character a part of the pools? What the hell is a pals? What the hell that is? What? It says PALS. So I don't know. Is your character from? No. Does your character show their face a lot? Yes. Does your character have one? Does your character have one of a pair? I don't know. No, let's just say no. I don't know what that means. Communities. Does your character communities? I don't know. Does your character live in a crew house? I think so. Probably. Like sloths. I don't really know if he likes sloths. Well, I know Roy and Alex. Alex likes to beatbox, so I'm gonna say I don't know. Does your character live with their brother? I do not know. Is your character from Stream Dragon Express? No. No, I did it wrong. You are wrong. Yes. Does your character live in the woods? No. Does your character in Full House back in the day? No. Does your character go to, I don't know. Does your character, I don't if he's wearing a white shirt now. Does your character play Roblox? Yes, sir. Does your character? No! How come someone from Five Nights at Freddy's play Roblox? Does your character have any pet? Yes, he has 3 pets. He got a new dog. He's got Oogie, and I don't know that other name, but he's got a new dog. So yes, he's got 3 dogs. Is your character a girl? No. Is your character married? No, I don't know. No. Is your character use me? I'm gonna go quickly check. TikTok. There we go. I have to check, okay? Okay, I'll tell you, right? I'm gonna just decide that what which is good okay. Oh, hey dudes. He's at underscore guava juice point at underscore guava dot juice underscore. So he doesn't really use it. Has your character been banned from Fortnite? I don't know, but let's just say no. Does your character live with his siblings? He used to, so I'm gonna say probably not. Does your character fight with a spear? No, he's not from a video game. It's from I don't even know what that is. Does your character live with a woman? I don't know. Does your character Does your character have only one parent who was from your family? No. Does your character have a driver's license? I think so, so let's say yes. Play horror games? Yes. Does your character I don't know what that is, so I don't gonna say. Has your character been in multiple episodes of the TV show? No. I never seen them on the TV show. Does your character do bath challenges? Yeah. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna say no. I think so. I'm just gonna say probably. No, he is not from Roblox. Oh my god. That's the kind of merch that I always wanted from him. Don't know why, but I like that merch so much, but I don't think you can get it anymore. But yeah, it is correct. Why is he good at this? Okay, now let's guess me. No, let's not guess me. Let's guess I am Sana. Yeah, I am Sana. Yes, she is a female. She has 1 million, so I'm gonna say yes. Character, a gamer, yes. She plays lots of Roblox. 2 brothers. I seriously do not know. No, she does not play Minecraft. I don't know if she ever does Twitch. Linked with she isn't linked with Wolves. Does your character like playing Roblox? She loves Roblox. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna say no. Is your character blonde? Yes, she is. She's dirty blonde. Was your character popular in the 1980s? I don't know if her hair is dirty blonde, but she doesn't make videos. Yeah. Does your character have a cat? No. Look, I'll show you how I Am Sana looks. This is who I'm trying to guess. Like these couple, Jelly and I Am Sana. Does your character have 6 claws? No. Does your character have a Darth daughter? No. 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 Yes. Finally. Good question. I don't know. I seriously do not know. I don't know if they live in Los Angeles or America.